Don't cook potatoes before watching this video. Now I just do it that way. For this recipe, we are going to cut for potatoes into cubes like this. Add in a pan. Add water until covered. Add a spoonful of salt. And let's mix it up a little bit. Now just cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's already cooked. Now I'm going to be draining this water. Placing the potato in a container and mashing it very well until it reaches a puree state. And guys, you're already commenting on me. What city are you watching us from? I'm going to send a super special hug to each of you who are commenting. I'm going to add a little black pepper spoon now. Cut parsley to taste and add. Grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. And we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. And guys, this recipe is super easy to make and looks amazing. I'm sure everyone will love it. I am now going to crack 3 eggs. And mix very well. I will now add a cup of breadcrumbs. And mix again with the spatula, and then with your hands. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Sophia from Las Vegas. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. I took a little bit of the dough. I'm going to model it this way, until it stays like this. In a frying pan, put some oil. When the oil is very hot, I'm going to add our potatoes like this. When frying on one side, just turn to fry on the other side. And then just remove it that was already on point. Our recipe is now ready. And it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time.